5, 6, 7, 8. Hey everybody, welcome, and I just played that Arpeggio Falseta. It's a great intro. It's actually the intro for a longer falseta, but I just played that at 152 beats per minute. So that's what we're going to go over. I hope you have the music right in front of you. This is all in triplets, really good arpeggio work, okay? So the hardest thing is, I think the hardest thing is the little bar chords that we have to play, okay? So the melody is just this A kind of power chord where we go 0, 2, 2, the open fifth string, and then the second fret of the fourth, second fret of the third string. We do this all with your first finger, okay? Because we're going to use the three other fingers, okay? So you got to bar those two strings, the fourth and third string. So the melody is, we're going to go, and now with our ring, middle, and index, they're going to stay on the third, fourth, and fifth string throughout. The third, fourth, and fifth string, okay? Okay. So we just start on that A, and it's an A power chord. We go A, M, I, A, M, I. Okay, and then we add this B natural here. Okay. We go up to the C, play that twice. And then when we walk down, we play the B flat. Okay, so we have sounds kind of ominous, right? And then we hop this up. We hop this bar chord up to the third position, the third fret, and then we're going to have to bar three strings now. We have the C on the fifth string, the F on the fourth string, and then the B flat on the third string. But then we have these two fingers up here on the G and the C here, making a power chord there. So we don't hear that bar right there, but we're going to need it, okay? So we have this C power chord. We play that twice. We move our pinky up. Okay, so we have this flat 9. So we play C, C sharp. Then we take that pinky off. And really, I guess we don't need the bar on that fourth string, but you can't, at least I can't, figure out how to bar the fifth string and the third string without barring the fourth string. Okay, so we do just that much, and then we switch back to that A position, and we just do the, okay, so that's it. That's what we do. The second time, there's just one variation that we play now. The second time we play, when we start, we play that open A with our third finger at the same time. So we play the open A string with our third finger playing the third string. So we play that octave. But do that with your third finger so that way you can keep that arpeggio A, M, I. So your thumb just kind of migrates over there for one time. Okay? Mess that up, okay? All right. So, and then just beware, the end ends on beat 7, so, or 7, 8, so you have to hold it for 2 beats. It ends on beat 7, so you have to hold it for 2 beats. Excuse me while I get my metronome all squared away. I'm going to play this at 80 beats per minute, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Bass note in there, but you don't have to do that at all, okay? But you can see why that's an extra challenge, because now all of a sudden your hand is cramped up. If you have your thumb going towards your fingers, then you're going to have a much harder time doing that. You need to cant your wrist instead of having it flat like this. You need to cant it like that so that you have your fingers and your thumb don't have an oncoming collision, okay? We've talked about that in a lot of other work and sent out diagrams and how to hold your wrist and all that stuff. So if you have questions about that, let me know. All right, so 100 beats per minute. 5, 6, 7, 8. Pretty cool intro, right? Can follow that up with a bunch of stuff. Okay, so now we're going to take this all the way up to 144, so pretty big jump, okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. So hopefully you enjoyed that. It's really a great, great skill development for your arpeggio. And a lot of times these fingers are not spending that much time down here. They spend most of their time on the top 3 strings. So it's good to have that arpeggio work down there, okay? Let me know if you have any questions. I'm here for you. Have a great day. Enjoy the work. Get to practicing. Bye-bye.